In the following Lecture 4 we cover commercial execution, as Tennessee's motivation is agriculture and commerce, and it is most befitting to speak on that topic next.
Lecture 4, Article 3. Commercial execution. What is the purpose of a community other than growth? With the nature of the individual encouraging progressively more beneficial execution, we are guaranteed to achieve more from one year to the next. How we manage that growth becomes progressively more beneficial as time goes by, and as we can't consume all the apples harvested, commercial execution becomes more about distribution. How else should we distribute justice than through law and persuasion, protection, and forced direction toward the benefit of mankind among citizens of the county at any rate? Someone must be held accountable for the execution of ordinances of the county approved by county legislature, which are for the benefit of tax-paying residents. Who else is to keep a record of our live births, ensure the maintenance of roads, and protect society from those outside the law but the long arm of the executive branch, which does what they body through its representatives put in motion by exercising their vote? The legislative branch can approve as many ordinances as time allows, but an architect is nothing without a carpenter. As the extent of the executive branch of county government is the juggernaut of legislative imagination, though within the bounds of state and local law, the body must be satisfied with gradual progression. As soon as humanly possible, the county mayor stands behind subordinates' honest 9-to-5 efforts, as all have their specific responsibilities. The executive department will be headed by a county mayor, where in order to ensure progress certain duties are attached where, when qualifications are maintained, compensation will be awarded. The powers of the executive department of county government will be vested in its mayor. Though when we think of execution, we think more of an effect made on our physical environment, but programs like this are commissioned every day to improve the positivity of the mental atmosphere in society. The county may be made of buildings, rivers, parks, and streams, but society allows us to distinguish ourselves from others until we reach the tops of the buildings we have erected in our minds, where we look out the windows to say to ourselves, we have made it to a high society. This high society is but a relative level of comfort where we have either reached a certain standard of living from whatever product or service one specializes in that makes us feel confident and happy to sing its praises, or being more nearsighted than far, we knowingly only focus on controlling those in our immediate circles, settling for being as close to the king as we would ever be, and those less effective may ever see. At any rate, there is no such thing as high society without the mayor being welcomed, as the mayor is the first witness of tax-paying citizens that they were such. The mayor knows the almost guaranteed prosperity for citizens who focus and put forth an effort to master anything. The smiles, which may seem all too often like that of the politician, are just an introduction to high society under the county mayor, where we never know how another will come into our lives, changing them for the better, and you never get a second chance to make a first impression. The county mayor, in order to ensure progress, has certain duties for which he or she is responsible. As the county mayor shall see that all resolutions and ordinances passed by the Board of County Commissioners are faithfully executed, it is as well his, along with his department head's, job to prepare and submit budgets and financial reports to accomplish what is required. Regularly examining accounts, records, and operations of each department under him or her, he or she must make reports and advise commissioners of financial conditions and future needs of the county. Having the power to contract with outside municipalities, the county mayor must provide for and maintain necessary accounting systems, with the power to veto when an occasion may bring forth the necessity. Having the task of nominating members of all boards, authorities, and commissions, they also have the authority to discharge those appointed. Negotiating and executing the county's indebtedness to others, county mayors must maintain those records while examining all contracts and obtaining approval before execution of contracts over $50,000 from the Board of County Commissioners. For an allotted term, the county mayor must maintain certain qualifications for which he or she shall be compensated. When elected, a county mayor will maintain his or her tenure for 4 years, of which all in 1 year prior the individual must have been a resident of the county. Being eligible to assume the office at 18 is only understandable, as it is the age of adult competency, and nothing should hinder one so interested in politics from reaching the top. Compensation to the county mayor for his or her service shall be set by the Tennessee Code annotated, Section 8-24-102. Though it may from time to time be amended by the Tennessee State General Assembly and annual statutory requirements, the county mayor's salary may be changed by ordinance of the Board of County Commission, but may not take effect during the mayor's current term in office. Though the county commission may change the mayor's salary, it may not lower it below what is set by Tennessee Code annotated, Section 8-24-102. The executive department will be headed by a county mayor, where in order to ensure progress certain duties are attached where, when qualifications are maintained, compensation will be awarded. The execution of the mayor is geared toward commerce in the interest of the county, and the smile on the mayor's face when he or she meets a new face is one welcoming the other to the high society of the county community. Of the numerous tasks a mayor is duty-bound to perform, and amid stacks and stacks of paperwork to review, that moment taken to invite others in with a smile is probably a welcoming pastime. With the responsibility of government resting on the county mayor, the reoccurring theme of their work is a balanced budget. Residents in said county 1 year prior and the 4 years during is required, and compensation guarantee.